Today, I'm going to be talking about one of the hottest AI performing stocks of 2025, and that is Palantir Technologies, and it really is a stock that should be on your radar. So I'm going to give you the overview of this company, how well it's doing, and why I think this is only the tip of the iceberg for many new companies as the AI industry explodes. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So Palantir Technologies has been on absolute fire over the past years. I mean, today the stock is up nearly 5%, which is actually pretty impressive. The stock price is $149.15. But if we kind of look, go through the data history here, I'm actually in ChatGPT. It sort of reviewed it really well. 5 days is 7%. 1 month, 5%. It was a dip. 6 months, 115%, which is incredible. 98% for the year to date, and 1 year, 420% growth over the past year. So the question is, sort of, why has Palantir just taken off? Well, it was basically just sort of like a niche sort of contract provider for governments and defense, but then it decided to sort of go down the AI route. And once it added AI to its systems and started getting bigger government contracts, then the company absolutely exploded. And that is why we've seen the insane growth over the past year. So that just shows you how investors are really craving hot AI stocks at the moment. So Palantir is probably the best performing stock on the market and certainly the best AI stock. Let's look into what Palantir actually does. In fact, Palantir is basically a big data and AI platform provider. Palantir develops data analytics software, including Gotham, used by intelligence and defense agencies. It's got some massive contracts with the US government and Foundry, enterprise data integration and analysis. Apollo, platform for continuous delivery and deployment of Gotham and Foundry. And AI platform, AIP, their primary or their proprietary LLM-based AI that's gaining traction in both commercial and federal use cases. So here are the major contracts and clients. US Department of Defense, Maven Smart System, initial 480 million IDIQ in May 2024, ceiling recently increased to 795 million. Works across service, Army, Navy, Air Force, Space Force and NATO deployments. Awarded 900 million 5-year space C2 data contract with US Space Force. Recently secured 330 million deal to build NHS federated data platform in the UK with ongoing controversy. So yeah, it's got some pretty major contract with the government and defence. Commercial sector partnering with major enterprises like Merck, Airbus, Ferrari, Microsoft and financial institutions via Foundry. Commercial revenue in Q1 2025 jumped 71% year to year to 255 million. Part of total revenue of 884 million pounds. So this, only 884 million pounds in revenue. Yeah, I think this company's got a long way in terms of growth. Financial snapshot of the company. Currently trading at 149.15. Achieved an all-time high recently of 149.57. 1 year performance, share price up and in staggering 400 to 445% in 12 months. Market cap estimated ranges between 335 billion to 352 billion. But the consensus midpoint is 340 billion. What are the financial highlights of this company? Q1 2025 revenue 884 million, up 39% year on year. Q1 2025 net income 214 million, more than doubled year on year. FY 2020 revenue guidance raised to 36% year-on-year, 52-week range. 21-23 to 149.57. Profits to earning ratio 594x earnings. Amazing. Beta volatility minus 2.6. Valuation and analyst tone. PT raised to $160, calling it the next Oracle. William Blair sees strong defense pipeline, including NGC2 Army initiative. Overall sentiment is very bullish on the stock, although valuations are high relative to earnings. Key takeaways: rapid growth, both in terms of revenue, strong contract momentum, robust earnings, and high expectations. Investors are betting on Palantir's AI platform becoming foundational, despite hefty profit to earning multiple. And the final word here. Palantir successfully pivoted from niche defense applications to broader enterprise AI, and the market is responding with marquee contract wins, accelerating commercial adoption, and net profitability. Commands a commanding $340 billion valuation. The question is whether its growth justifies the premium, or if future execution, particularly in AI, will determine if it truly becomes the next Oracle. So, an incredible sort of period of growth and rise for Palantir. I'm just going to say, it wouldn't surprise me if this becomes a $1 trillion company in the next couple of years, especially if its AI sort of platforms really sort of gain wider adoption. So whilst I'm not recommending you buy this stock, because obviously it is trading at a premium at the moment, it is something you should definitely research. And if there's any major dip in price, that is probably the time to buy. I mean, yeah, you never really want to buy a stock when it's going up, because obviously the stock can come back down. But obviously, I think if you do want to buy this stock, I would wait for a pullback. I'd research, I'd wait for a pullback in price, because obviously at the moment, if we look at the 1 year, yeah, it's going back. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's just going up and up and up. You do sort of wonder whether you can keep that momentum. So if you do want to buy this stock, I'd wait for some kind of, steep pullback like that sort of happened here or here. So obviously you're not buying at the peak of its bubble. But yeah, like I say, not a stock recommendation. But Palantir is probably the hottest AI stock of the moment, and it doesn't really show any signs of slowing down. But this is just the tip of the iceberg, because AI is about to become physical AI. Tesla has been secretly working on its Optimus humanoid AI robot, and that is a huge announcement is expected on that later this month or in August. So basically, once this thing gets released to industry, AI is going to basically come in the physical world, and tens of billions, $100 billion is going to flow into the market, because Tesla will have created a $25 trillion physical AI robotics market, and it will be the immediate leader. So watch Tesla over the next couple of years, because many people are saying Tesla is done. Far from it. If its Optimus robot is a success, Tesla will go from strength to strength. For many of the companies that will be supplying the tech for this Optimus AI robot. So AI is only going to be getting more and more explosive. If you want to sort of learn more about Tesla's Optimus AI robot and how you can invest in it, I can highly recommend you check out the Near Future Report, which is probably the best AI research and AI stock advisory service on the planet. I've been a member since 2022. I love the service. And Jeff Brown, who leads his analyst team there, he's released a report on how you can invest in Tesla's new Optimus AI robots by investing in a couple of stocks who provide the tech for this robot to function, but have huge upside potential. So if you want to check out the near future report, I'll leave a link in the comment description below. Also, I've released my own AI stock one-page brief. It brings you up to the speed with the AI stock market, as well as 3 of my favorite AI stocks in only one page. A 2-minute read, but you'll be brought up to the speed with the AI market and get 3 hot AI stocks in only 2 minutes. Completely free to download, so if you want that, I'll leave a link in the description below. That's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful, informative. Comment in the description below what your thoughts are on Palantir and any other hot AI stocks, and I'll be happy to reply to your comments. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.